Okay, so I don't really know how to start this kind of video. So, sorry if I can like pause sometimes during this video. So, yeah, hi, hello. Let's just get into this. So, a few people have been requesting to me to show what I do to make my videos. It's pretty simple, but it takes a long time to make. So as you can see here, I've got a few things. I use almost all of them, maybe except for camera and this Vismato and that. But I use all the other ones. Really sorry if that happens throughout the video, then just don't mind it. So what I use to actually draw my shapes and my characters, I use this thing called Ibis Paint X. So we're gonna go into this, and once you download it, so this is kind of a bit like a tutorial video. You want to go into here, and this is where you can like save all your pictures and stuff like that. Yeah, just okay. So this is what you do. You click on the little plus sign at the top, and it gives you a load of different dimensions to which you want to draw your picture in. I would highly recommend the 16:9, which is like the 1280 by 720, because that's the easiest one to work with Imovie. So now you actually get into the thing. I'm going to show you how I actually draw my character. So what I do is I go to like this ruler up at the top here. See that? See where I'm pointing? I'm sorry if there's like ads up at the top. And what I do is I get the circle ruler, and it appears in the middle of the page. I expand it to the point that I want it at, and what I do is I make my colour black, I get my pen, and all I do is just draw. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but this is just a little video, and I'm not really, sorry. So, yeah, then I just draw my little character, and you can just do anything, and just honestly, just let your imagination be like free in this while you're doing this. Just, you don't have to do the exact same thing I'm doing. You can do this to make any piece of artwork. This is just the thing I personally use to make my videos, because I think it's easy to use and it's pretty simple to pick up. So I'm just doing a simple character design. I'm quite bad at drawing on like a tablet. Sorry. So then what I do is I go to my colour palette and I pick a colour for, like, you know, and I get to the fill option and I colour in my t-shirt. You may think it looks all done and dusted, but there's one thing I like to add to all my pictures, and it's a really good feature. Okay, so what you basically want to do is you want to go to this little thing down here where it says the number 1, and what you want to do is you want to click on the red checkered pattern right here. This takes you to your selection layer, where you can basically do stuff and I think drag stuff. I'm not too sure what this layer does. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your pen, and then what you want to do is you want to draw where your shadows want to go. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect because it doesn't render that. I think that's what the right wording is. So yeah, I just draw wherever I want my shadows to be, and then once it goes to the fill option, I just fill in all those spaces. Then what I do is I go back to the first layer, and as you can see, everything I did there has just been selected. Then what I do is I go to an option that I like for a shading colour, and I personally love this colour for the skin, and I love this colour for my t-shirt. I don't know why, this is a little habit I have, but I always forget to colour in my neck last. Then what you do is you go back to your second layer and just erase it. Then what you do is you go back, you go to the upload option, save it as photo JPEG, and after a few minutes it'll just come up with something, and then you want to go to save image. Okay, and then the next step. Then what you want to do is you want to go to this app called Imovie. What you want to do is you want to create a new thing, and you want to, well, sorry, I'm messing up my wording. You want to go to the movie option and then select the pictures or videos you want. Then you click the create movie button at the bottom, and then it will create your movie. So as you can see here, we've got a little problem. When we play the clip, the picture moves, and that's not what we want it to do. What you want to do is you want to click on the picture, and you see where it says Ken Burns enabled? Well, yeah, you want to click on that, and that basically turns it off. This basically stops your picture from moving throughout. Then what you want to do, just because I recommended, the reason that I recommended the size that you did do it, is because you can pinch this, you can click on the picture, you can pinch out, and it gets the entire screen. Whereas if you chose a different dimension, it would only get a few of the screen, and you'd have to like drag it places that you don't want it to be. Whereas this, it just gets the full picture, and you don't have to worry about anything that much. Then, once you've actually got all the frames for your animation, I haven't, because making an animation does take a long time, and you get bored to death just watching me draw pictures all day. You got it? Alright, okay. So what you want to do is you want to get your voice recording now. What you want to do is you want to click on this microphone right here, and basically just you want to get really close up to the mic, and then you want to press record. So when you press record, it will basically give you a 3-second countdown, and then you can basically do whatever you want. So here we go. Here's just an example. Hello, I am Adam Animations, and welcome to my channel. Oh god, no. Okay, yeah guys, something really weird happened, and now my screen recorder isn't like recording my Apple screen. I've tried to like restart it and stuff, but you know what, it's fine. I can pretty much just explain it to here. So once you've pretty much done that, you want to go and save your video into your camera roll. Then, basically once you've done that, you upload it to YouTube. Like here, this is my YouTube channel. I only got 14 subscribers though. What the frig? So, yeah, no, I'm not complaining. I've got 138 views. Yeah, I'm kind of bragging now. So, once you've uploaded it, you can add your custom thumbnail. You can do whatever you want with it, and you can make it customizable. And basically, that's it for this video. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, and if I didn't really specify anything that much in this video, and you want a bit more information, please tell me in the comments, and I might make a different video on it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and well, hope you learned how to animate. I don't know, I'm terrible at ending these kind of videos.